In Manipur, 3 of the 10 Kuki MLAs have voiced their opposition to the use of the term Kuki-Zo as a descriptor for their community. These MLAs are Valde, who represents Thanon Assembly Constituency, Ngursanglur Sanati, representing Tipaimuk Assembly Constituency, and ex-IPS officer LM Kaute, who is the former Director General of Police. They released statements disowning the term Kuki-Zo and rooting for the inclusive nomenclature that respects diverse identities within the communities. Valde, Thalon Assembly Constituency representative in a statement confirmed to be a Paite scheduled tribe of the Jomi community. He maintained that the nomenclature Jomi best expresses the historical, cultural and social identity of his people. He stated that especially for a level that is considered non-inclusive and assimilative, that it does not acknowledge the very rich and very unique identities of the different tribes under his representations, the uses of Kuki-Zo has described a lot of discomfort to many in his constituency. Valde said that he is committed to the integrity of the collective identity of his constituency, the Jomi, Kuki and Mar communities. It is my firm belief that any term that seeks to define our identity must be inclusive and reflective of our diverse backgrounds. Therefore, I cannot in good conscience accept and endorse any term that does not respect the individuality and dignity of all the groups that form the fabric of my constituency, Valde said. He has called for the adoption of a nomenclature that brings together all of the communities under one umbrella of shared history while retaining their distinctive identities. Ngursanglur Sanati, representing Tipaimuk Assembly Constituency, also made his stance clear through a press release. He said that he is committed to the Kuki-Zomi Mar nomenclature and further that he has never endorsed nor he will ever endorse any term or platform that excludes the Mar identity. Sanati's statement is a direct response to the ongoing debate over the proper terminology to describe the various tribes in Manipur. He expressed his dedications to advocating for the interests, dreams and aspirations of all the communities within Fajol district, ensuring that their identities are respected and preserved. LM Kaute, a former high-ranking of police officials and the current MLA, spoke on the need for an inclusive terminology that encompasses all the relevant identities within their community. Kaute said that the term Kuki-Zomi Mar has consistently been used in previous press statements issued by the 10 MLAs from the Kuki community and that any attempt to exclude Jomi or any other key identity term would be unacceptable. It has always been an endeavor to ensure the uses of a suitable and appropriate terminology to describe our identity, Kaute said, rejecting any attempts to impose a narrower or inclusionary label on the diverse community.